Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this BREEZOME Ultrasonic Air Humidifier for large rooms. It comes with a timer, auto shut off and night light. So you have a lot of convenient features, and it even comes with an aromatherapy option here on the side. It's not full unboxing, but this is what you see when you take it out of the box. So I'm also going to show you how you set up this device because it's so easy. We have to remove a couple of labels and tapes. So here we have the top lid. We remove this label here. Then we have the water tank. And you can already see that it has a nice flat stand. It's really important to use that. Don't fill it when it's up here. It's more safe when you take it out and then fill it up here on the side. Then we of course remove also this label. Then we have access to the central base unit. Of course we remove this foam. It's just for protection for the shipment. Here we have the floater. And here we have the UV light, which is really important because it's not a steam humidifier. With a steam humidifier, you have automatic disinfection. This is what we don't have here because it's ultrasound, and so it's very important to have this UV light here. Then we have the water level sensor and also the night light. And here we have the atomizer plate. That's coming here from this side. Here we can fill it up. That's another tape which we have to remove, of course. So you can just push it in here and take it out. We can put a couple of drops of essential oil here inside, then put it back, and it will work automatically. One thing which we also have to take care about is this filter here. That's another tape to remove, and it's highly suggested to remove all the water at least on a weekly basis to avoid some dirt accumulation or like bacteria growth or so. I would even recommend to dry it up completely every week or so. And what's also highly suggested is to remove the water filter every week. You can just pull it up here and clean everything here in the mesh and put it back then straight down again. So we are almost ready to go. We just fill it up here with nice clean filtered water. Make sure that the water is as good as possible. At least use filtered water or softened water, or if possible even use steam distilled water, because you have to be aware that everything which you put here inside will come out. This is not working on steam, which filters out automatically all the dirt. The ultrasound would evaporate everything which you have in the water, so it's really important to use very clean water, otherwise it could impact the efficiency of the unit and it could spread all the undesired things out into the air and spread it out and put it on your desk or wherever you have placed it. Also make sure that you are not overfilling this tank. It has this maximum sign here. If you add too much, the function could be compromised. And you don't have to be worried about the power consumption of this unit. It's only 22 watts, which means if it would run the whole year, it would cost on average, I would say in the US, around $22, but nobody lets this running 24/7 for the whole year. So let's assume this would be running in the automatic mode about 50% of the whole year, then it would already be down to only $10 for the whole year for power consumption. So we put the tank back to the central unit and then cover the lid and then plug it in. And it's also very easy to operate. We just push here this sensor button and then it's active, and it goes into the last setting which you have been using, but we can change that. I mean, it has basically 3 different power options. We have the one here, the second and the strongest, but even on the strongest level it's still very quiet. We have also this automatic mode where it adjusts the humidity to around 60%, and you can see the nice light. If this is too bright, you can go back to the night mode where it still keeps working, but it's deactivating the light. So I like it somewhere here in the middle. And there's also a timer option for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, or 24/7, like basically it would work till it runs out of water. And you can see it's very powerful. So I go here even on level 3. So I go here a little bit closer with the camera, so you can see here on level 3 how much humidity it will produce. It's really powerful, but still very quiet. And if you like, you can rotate this nozzle here in the direction where you want to have most of the humidity. So overall, it's a very nice high-tech device which can provide you really nice comfortable humidity, especially during the winter time. For me, it works absolutely perfect, and it comes for a very attractive price, so I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.